Good morning, my dear fellow citizens of this great country. Today is a great day not only for the army people, it is a great day for all the citizens of this country. Army Day is celebrated on 15th January every year in India in recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa, then a Lieutenant General, taking over as Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India on 15 January 1949. The day is celebrated in the form of parades and other military shows in the national capital New Delhi as well as in all headquarters. Army Day marks a day to salute the valiant soldiers who sacrifice their lives to protect the country and its citizens. While celebrations take place across the country, the main Army Day parade is conducted in Cariappa Parade Ground in Delhi Cantonment. Gallantry awards are also awarded on this day. India celebrates Army Day on 15th January every year to honor the sacrifice of soldiers who had served the nation selflessly and set a significant example of brotherhood. It is Day of National Pride and to remember the selfless service and the valor of brave Jawan. It gives message to the whole nation that we must stay together and we must fight together. Thank you. Jai Hind.